Hi, Algebra 1 parents and students. I just wanted to get on here and let you guys know what to expect this week returning back from spring break in Algebra 1. So I have Algebra 1s for blocks 4 and 7. So if you look at our school calendar, that means that block 4 I will be having a Zoom meeting with on Tuesday and Thursday of this week at 8 a.m. In block 7, I will be having Zoom meetings with on Tuesday and Thursday at 11 a.m. Now, these Zoom meetings are just like a normal class block for us, where I'm going to be taking attendance and submitting it to Miss Alvarado. You will be receiving participation credit for logging in, and we will be going over lessons during those times. So on Tuesday, when I see all of you, we are actually going to be still reviewing Chapter 9. If you remember, before we left for spring break, we spent the entire last week reviewing Chapter 9 material. We were talking all about solving quadratics. So the first time that I see you guys on Tuesday, I believe that's April 21st, we will be working together on a bunch of problems, 16 to be exact, on solving quadratic equations. For your homework that evening, you are going to be working on our Chapter 9 practice test. So you will be taking a Chapter 9 test on Thursday, and I'll explain that in a little bit. But your homework is going to be to work on your Chapter 9 practice test and submit that by Wednesday at midnight. Now, on Thursday, when I see all of you, I will be giving you and I will be posting a Chapter 9 test when our Zoom meeting goes live on Thursday. You will have our Zoom meeting time to complete it, so you will have 45 minutes. I do not expect you to print it out. You are just going to work through those problems. None of them are word problems, so it should be pretty simple to write the problem down. You're going to work through those problems on a piece of paper, showing all of your steps, and then you will submit that picture of your work for all of those problems to our Schoology page before you log off our Zoom meeting on Thursday, April 23rd. Now, I don't want you to be worried about this Chapter 9 test. I am giving you this opportunity to take the test because a lot of you are showing that you really get what we learned in Chapter 9, which is awesome, and it makes me so happy to see that you guys are still being successful at home. So I want to give you this opportunity to take a test and raise your test average in the class. So we will be taking the Chapter 9 test on Thursday. I want to let you know a couple things though. So number one, I will be having office hours every day this week. School-wide, it's from noon to 2:30. If that time frame does not work for you, email me and I will do my best to accommodate for your schedule. But any day, Monday through Wednesday, really, because it would be silly to do it Thursday after your test. Monday through Wednesday, if you want to meet with me, from noon to 2:30 in the afternoon, just send me a quick message. Let me know through email, right? Email me, ctaylor@moderndaycatholic.org. Let me know what day and what time you want to have a Zoom meeting where I can tutor you for whatever you're struggling with. And when you take your test on Thursday, I am very aware that I am not in the room with you. So I am very aware that you will have access to our notes from class on Tuesday and your practice test. So I do recommend you keep those out. You will obviously be able to use them as you are working on your test because I obviously can't collect them from you. I'm not in the room with you. So I will be expecting on all of your assignments that you show all of your work because I know there are so many resources that you can be using to assist you, and I want to make sure that you are the one doing the work. So I will expect to see all of your work for every problem in order to give you credit. But I just wanted to let you know our schedule for the week. So on Tuesday, I'll see you. We will review together, see how your spring break went. On Thursday, when I see you, you're going to take a test. And in between those times, you're just going to work on a practice test on your own. That means you won't have any homework over the following weekend, and I will see you again the following week. The following week, our schedule does change a little, so I see you guys on Tuesday and then on Friday. And it gives you Wednesday as a day with no classes where you can spend time working or you can schedule an appointment with the teacher for office hours. while we're going through this, I just want you guys to know that I'm here for you and I want to support you the best that I can. So if you have questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. My email is ctaylor@moderndaycatholic.org. I miss you guys so much. I'm really looking forward to seeing you on our Zoom conferences this week, and I believe that you will all be very successful on our Chapter 9 test on Thursday.